there, my name is Gisele from Florida SEO Pro. In this quick video, I'm going to go over some tips and tricks you can start a list to help you bring more customers to your business by accessing your website more. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing that I'm going to talk about is your website. Just getting through, I like that you have your click to call phone number here, your contact and location tab, some images, and content. The thing with Google is that they like to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words, just depending on the competition and the number of keywords on a homepage. A keyword is anything someone may type in Google, look for a particular product or service. So in our content, you can intentionally place keywords to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found when people are searching for it. All your pictures can be considered the content, so I recommend saving those as a keyword. Now I went ahead and inserted the website into a tool we call Ahrefs. Just give us a basic analytical view of your site. One thing that you look at is the UR and the DR. That means the power and the trust you have with Google. Anywhere between 30 and 40 is considered strong site. So if it's on the lower end and you realize some of these tips, will help you boost your numbers and allow Google to trust you more. Right now you have 116 backlinks coming from 11 referred domains or websites. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linked to another via an anchor text. These links act like an endorsement of your site from others, which Google is in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Currently, your index for 53 keywords and getting about 128 hits your website a month. Let's take a look at your keywords. Looks like people are searching for a business name in particular. And there are great local by intent keywords, and those are the kind of the ones that you inquiry about. The local by intent keywords are the location, the service that you provide in those locations. So you can clearly analyze them for any location that you service. In comparison, I went ahead and I typed the mechanics in your area in Google. And what you see here is what I call the map pack, and down here is what you call the organic listings. Ultimately, you want to be in the map pack. It's just because the top 3 search on Google result page receives 75% of the clicks. In other words, if your business appears near the top of the results, it's more likely that a researcher will interact with your business by clicking on your URL, dial your listed phone number, or getting directions to your business. And there the citations. A citation is your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. Those are then placed in various directories such as Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. I went ahead and I pulled up a competitor's website. They also have their click to call phone number, make an appointment tab, some images, and content. I inserted them into the same tool. They are getting about 441 hits to their website a month. They have 1.3k backlinks coming from 192 referring domains. In the long run, you want to match them and beat them for at least 100. Let's take a look at their keywords, like people are searching for their business name in particular. And they have a bit of local intent keywords, and those are all keywords you can analyze in different areas that you service. In conclusion, there's a higher percent of people that don't scroll past the first page of Google. You surely want to be in those top sites. Now, implement this strategy. A few ways that you can start climbing Google and get the first page. I hope you found this video very educational. If you have any questions, just let us know. We look forward to hear from you. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day and thanks for watching.